Dr. Nagrath, before we let you go, and this has been a real pleasure, we got one last question for you.
Okay.
If with the snap of your fingers, you could make any change to the education system, what change would it be?
Well, it feels like we need to pay the teachers more. I don't know, like how. As soon as you snap a finger.
Well, no, this is. We don't have to figure out how to pay for stuff today. This is the snap the fingers game.
But like, if you think about it, right? I mean, this is a real challenge because, like, more and more you're hearing. No, it just came out, right? There was some article I read saying 71% of teachers have to work 2 jobs or something like that. And it's like, well, yeah, but they're working 60 hours a week for 9 months out of the year. So, like, theoretically, this should pan out. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's the answer, right?
It's excellent, and one that will not make you any enemies here at Big Ideas in Education. Nope, I haven't heard too many people on the other side of that. And I always tell guests, in the pre-show, I don't think I shared this with you, but I was like, when in doubt, if you're not sure about the answer to the final question, pay the teachers more is always a crowd pleaser.
Oh, is that a typical answer?
No, it's the one that I tell people to go with if they're struggling. You gave the number one most popular answer on the board, and it's one that I don't dispute. Frankly, if my feeling is if you're willing to devote your life to the profession of teaching, college shouldn't cost you a dime, and you certainly shouldn't have to work a second job to do it. So, love your insight there, and just love the insight that you gave throughout this interview. Really appreciate your time, sir.